Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a small Dutch pour with the leftovers from my swipe. And I will show you the dried results of the swipe in a minute here. But first, I have a fun idea for my next video. I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and I want you to pick the colors. So what I'd like you to do is give me 4 colors, not including black or white, in the comments below. And I will randomly choose, using the comment picker, one of the comments. I'll make a painting using those 4 colors, and I will add black or white depending on the 4 colors. I'll make a video of the pour and then I'll send it to you. So to do that, just be sure to put your colors in there before let's say the 23rd of August, and then I'll have time to create the video and get it posted next weekend. So that should be fun. So let me grab the dried swipe. Here it is. Dried well. My canvas is a little warped, and so it kind of veered off a little bit to the side there. And this is just an inexpensive canvas. And I had talked about embellishing the bottom to make it look more like realistic flowers, but I'm not going to bother putting that much work into something that didn't turn out that good. I think it's interesting. I think it's pretty as is, but I'm done with it. So that's that. I don't usually bother embellishing on those inexpensive canvases. I reserve that for the level 3s. So let's see. My paints had been sitting around. As you can tell by my voice, I'm sick. I was getting sick at the end of that video. And I just left the room, left everything out for 4 days uncovered. So, gosh, I hope I have enough here. So I added some water to make them thin. So I'm not expecting much from this pour. Great intro to video, huh? I'm already predicting a bad result. That's not good. There's junk floating in there. I'll come back to it. See if I can even get enough coverage here. Oh man, that's a lot of garbage. Maybe I need to mix some more. I think I will. I'm going to pause here and mix some more because it's too skimpy and I want to get rid of all that junk. So I'll be right back. All right, now I've got a nice base coat down. I actually have leftover white now. So I don't have much left in the way of colors. So I'm just going to keep it very simple, kind of a V-shape application of color. And then I might, and I am, just for fun, I'm even going to add my black with silicone, just a thin line of it on top of the colors, and then blow that out. So here we go. Hope I thinned it down enough with water. I want to use it up, so let's put it all out. And that's what I had the most of. Maybe I had most of gold. I see that. and gold. Okay. Now, this could be a big mistake, but I'm just playing. This is a small canvas. Black with silicone left over from the swipe. Stirring it in well. I said a thin line, but I'm going pretty thick with it. And the thing is, the funny part is I don't really like cells in my Dutch pours, but I want to use up these paints. So. Okay. If it stays like that, that's not that bad, really. What else can I do with it? Maybe a little skewer action. That's a little too roundy for me. But I don't want to hit it with a hairdryer again, or it's going to look bad. So I'll just pull out some of these areas. Oh, I don't like that. They're too similar there. Oh well. Picky, picky, picky. That's pretty crazy. But you know what? I don't hate it. I'll bring you in for a closer look, and then you get to thinking about the colors for my next pour. Talk about cells. We got them. Okay, my friends. Well, just a quickie using leftovers. Thanks for watching. See you next time.